Here's a quick tutorial on how to use these cameras to photograph your artwork. Our cameras are stored in these little boxes. In each box you're going to find a camera, this little disc here that holds your images, and this is a card reader. This is the card and the card reader. Your camera looks like this. Okay. On the bottom there's a little door here. You're going to have to put your card in the door. So to open the door, you're going to take your thumb, press down and slide it in order for it to open. Okay, so I'll do that again. You can hold it like this if you want. Press down and slide, it opens up. Your card, your memory card, looks like this, and you're going to very gently put your memory card into the slot like this. If you put it in and it doesn't go in, take it out and turn it around. You can see the front of the card matches the front of the camera here. So to put it in, you press gently and it clicks and it stays in. To close the door, you just press down and slide back. Okay. Now to turn your camera on, there's a little button here. Press the button. This will come out. That's the lens. The camera is on. There's a screen here. In order to get the camera started working and make that screen go away, you just press this button once and it will go away. All right, right now this one says insufficient space on card. So if that's a problem, all you would need to do is turn the camera off. You go back to the bottom, open it up, and take it out, and you'll put a different card in. Okay? We'll pretend the card's in there for right now. So your camera is on, and you're going to take your camera, set up your artwork on the cart with the black fabric. Use the camera. You're going to press this button halfway down in order to focus. And when you do that, when you press it down halfway, it's going to give you a little green square. You see there's a green square there, and that green square means that it's in focus. If the square is yellow or red, then you're going to have to readjust. You can use this wheel right here. You see that? And that brings the focus in further or closer up. So, you know, it'll make your image closer to you or further away. So if you want to zoom in, you just use this, like that. Okay? All right, you take your photograph by clicking once, right? When you're finished, you can check and make sure your image is what you want. You turn your camera off, you go to the bottom, you open up, you take your memory card out. Then you've got these two pieces here. Your memory card goes in this card reader, and you can see right there it slides right in. Okay, this gets put into the side of your computer, and then you're going to follow the written directions that I have provided for you about how to get your image from the card onto your computer and then upload it to Canvas. When you're finished, you're going to get your box and take your camera and your memory card and your card reader, and you're going to put it back into the box, close it up, and return it.